Hello everyone, I am Shubham Jain, an equity research intern with Insight Solutions. The topic given today was equity reports and its structure and components. Let's start with what an equity report contains. An equity report contains the financial analysis of a company, the background of the company, and the industry it operates in. Basically, it includes all the fundamental stuff that about the company and its industry and the economy it is working in. Now let's see the structure and components of the equity report. First is investment thesis. This is the analyst opinion on the company stock, whether to buy or sell or don't trade in a particular stock or not. It is completely based on analyst opinion and is backed by strong evidence that he uses to analyze the company. Second one is financial analysis. Now the analyst analyzes the company by using its financial statements, including balance sheet, income statements, P&L, cash flow statements, and including several ratios. So the analysis then is really in-depth and can be relied upon, and that's the basic motto of the equity research report as well. The third one is industry analysis. The analyst also cover in-depth analysis of the industry the company operates in, because in order to check how the industry as a whole is working, and in order to check the state of the economy as well, and the potential reasons of a downfall or a sudden boom in the performance of a company. Fourth one is valuation analysis, which is done by analysts in order to check whether the stock of the company is underpriced or overpriced or at its original price to be priced. He calculates different intrinsic value of the stock at different point in time, considering everything that is dividends, interest rate, inflation rates in the economy, and then gets to a very refined figure of what the actual valuation should be. The next section is risk and catalyst. The analyst also has to put in the report the potential risk and the catalyst in the equity report of considering the macroeconomic factors as well. That is, what are the potential risk factors that can affect the company and its profitability in the near future or in the long run, so that the investor can make an informed decision. Then lastly, it includes recommendations and opinion from the analyst. It is basically like a summary of the whole report, and includes an in-depth and includes a summary of whether an investor should buy or sell the stock immediately or in the near future or in the long term as well. That was it for equity reports. Apart from that, I would really like to thank Insight Solutions, as I said earlier as well, in order to provide us with different topics every day, so that the interns can research on them every day and learn something beneficial. Thank you.